First, you're going to start off with brushed hair, and then you're going to take a tail comb so that it'll be easier to part your hair, and you're just combing it up to get as much hair that will fit into the hair tie. I tie it 2 times so that it isn't really tight on my head. You'll have a tiny pineapple on your head. Then take bobby pins to pin up the hair in the back that is too short to fit into the ponytail. I have to use a couple because I have really short hair in the back. Now taking a small section of the ponytail, I'm going to curl it in and then bobby pin it. After I finish with that, I'm going to take the remainder of the hair that is sticking out and twist it around the bun and then bobby pin it.
I can't put my hand there without going through it. Without us both going through it. And they say the day you die when you meet your match, so you probably hope that I cut you some slack and that wouldn't be too bad.
Lastly, repinning any hair that may have fallen from the back.
But if a cat sleep in the shower, maybe getting out.
And if you would like, you can take out some pieces in the front to give it a more messy fun look.
Now I know the difference between a prayer and a preference, between desire and a deference.